Welcome to our tutorial about the Data Sources window. First of all, let's hide the Server Explorer. Now let's go to Data and select Show Data Sources. What this window does is help you bind your data set to the controls on the form. Right now, I've only got one dataset tree, and that's because I've only got one dataset in my project. When you click on a field, a drop-down list appears. It'll show some familiar controls, text box, combo box, etc. These are known as no-bind controls. Think of them as controls that are already connected to corresponding fields in the database. I'm going to select a text box. Now I'll simply grab, drag, and drop the field onto my form. Let's do the same for last name. Address, city, state, and zip code. And let's run our program. The form loads with the first record in the database. We can navigate using these arrows. We can go to first, go to last. We can add a record, delete a record, or save the data, and so on. Basically, in a few seconds, without writing even a single line of code, we've created an application that interacts with the database. Let's type in some text now to save. Name. We'll enter a last name, some miscellaneous text for the address, city, state, and zip. Now let's save our data. As you can see, the program adds the new record to our database. It's record number 11. Let's close our application. This might seem a little bit confusing at this time, but hang on because it's going to be clearer in the following tutorials as we go through the controls more carefully and you get more and more practice working with databases. This concludes our tutorial about the Data Sources window.